Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to analyze a suspicious URL showing different security tools. Okay, here I'm taking one sample email here, opened it in Sublime Text. Now we'll see different tools we can use for URL analysis. First, we have CyberChef. CyberChef is a web-based data analysis tool commonly used by cybersecurity analysts. Sometimes attackers use encode URLs to hide the real destinations. Okay, by using this tool, we can encode the URL or base65 encoding, hexadecimals encoding. These features are available in this tool. Here is the like we are opening the file here. This is the sample mail we are opening here. After opening the file, we will do some operations. The first, we'll drag here this text. Next, we'll extract the URLs. Next, we have an option called tfang URL. Now, if you see here, these are the two mails extracted from this document or this mail. Next, I'm using PhishTank here. PhishTank is a community-driven platform that collects and identify phishing websites here. These are the all like reported malicious URLs. You can see here. Here the search bar can simply copy paste the URL and we can check here. Actually, PhishTank helps us determine whether other security researchers or users have already identified the URLs as phishing websites. If the URL is confirmed as a phishing, it's become strong evidence here. However, if there is no result, that does not automatically means the URL is safe. A newly created phishing websites may not yet exist in public threat database. Okay. Now we have another tool called URL PNG. It allows to capture a screenshot of a website like without manually visiting the suspicious website in our normal browser. Here I'm collecting one URL from PhishTank database. Just pasting here. It's amazing. Okay, see, this is web page we got from the pasted URL. Uh, like this tool helps us to understand the visual appearance of a website like without directly browsing the suspicious URL on your main system. And this tool helpful for credential harvesting, fake banking websites, brand uh, like bank other website or fake payment portals. We have another tool called URL scan. I hold here. It's useful because it gives us both visual and technical information about a suspicious website. Like for example, the original URL may redirect the another website. Okay, by checking the redirect chain, we can identify the final destinations. This tool can help us to identify like tracking servers, phishing infrastructure, and malicious external resources. We are taking one example URL here. We'll scan. running the URL. It will take time. This is the output of URL scan.io. Here you can see the two IPs present in one country across one domain, the platform HTTP transactions. And this is a screenshot of an URL, and we have having two IP addresses here. Now let us check the URL using VirusTotal. VirusTotal allows us to check the URLs files against multiple security engines. Like it's provide a quick reputation checks using multiple security engines. Like it will detect the phishing URLs, malware, or malicious or suspicious. Now simply we select the URL option here. And copy paste the selected URL. Which can see here is a phishing URL. So I'm getting here. Now, like this increase our confidence that URL is in danger. But remember, that zero detection does not generate the URL is safe. Like new phishing may not be detected by the security vendors. Next, I'm using here Vana browser. Like Vana browser can help us safely inspect the suspicious web content in controlled environment. Here I'm pasted on malicious URL here. It will extend to the extracted all the information related to the URL. Because see, the controlled browser analysis environment is useful because we do not want to manually open as unknown suspicious links, right, on your personal systems. uh, this is important because like the user should not click the links directly, like redirect users, like attempting to download files or displaying phishing pages, user based attacks, etc. Now we'll see about URL has is focused on malicious URLs, especially URLs associated with malware distribution. Here we have different options you can see here, like browser malware URLs, share malware URLs, and URL like APIs. Uh, Using this tool practically can use, like when we suspect the URL is being used by the distributed malwares. This will help us to executable files, malicious scripts, or achieve files or malware payloads. The URL exists in URL in this tool. It can provide important threat intelligence. Like finally, we have Joe Sandbox tool. By using this tool, you can analyze up to 15 URLs in a month. Uh, this is not an open source. We can analyze up to 15 URLs in a month. Like, like this Joe Sandbox helps security analysts to understand what happens when suspicious content is existed in a controlled environment. For a URL investigation, this can be helpful when the URL downloads a specific file. Instead of executing the files on your own system, we can analyze behavior inside of Sandbox. Like in final analysis, after using all these tools, uh, you should not depend on only one results. As a SOC analyst, As a SOC analyst, we need to combine the evidence. Like for example, CyberChef shows the hidden encoded content. PhishTank identifies the URL as a phishing. Like URL looping shows as a fake login page. Like URL scan IO shows suspicious predict, and we have VirusTotal reports multiple malicious detections. Like when multiple independent sources provide a suspicious evidence, we can have like greater confidence in our final verdict. This is all about URL analysis in email part. Thank you.